Hey Bells, it's Melissa Danielle. I was sent some new products and I wanted to do a video for you guys. I was going to do a video with me talking and demonstrating, but I am not well right now, so I'm trying to use my last bit of strength to get this video edited for you. Right now, I'm applying LA Girl Concealer Color Natural. I'm going to tap that out with my finger to blend it out. On top of that, I'm applying the color Take a Dip from the Buxom White Russian palette. This was sent to me to review, guys. All the Buxom products in this video were sent to me to review. So I'm just applying that color to the first third of my eyelid. Then I'm going to go into the color Indulge, and we're going to put this in the center of our eyelid. Don't worry about my energy sounding low. I just don't feel well right now. Anyways, I'm applying this color to the center of my lid. I did have to pack it on, like just doing a gentle swipe wasn't working. So next we're going to go into this color called After Dark, and we're going to smoke out our outer V and then also create like a fake crease. So I'm just dragging that color forward up towards my eyebrow and then arching it towards my nose. And then we're going to blend that color out with the color Smoke Show. It's like a bronzy, well, it's like a dark bronze color. I'm using a very fluffy brush because I want to make sure that line is really blended out. So next, Eylure London, they gifted me with this product. I've had it for about 2 weeks now. I've been using it like almost every day. This is their line and lash adhesive. It's just pretty much like an eyeliner pen. You would apply it like you would apply a eyeliner, and then once you do that, you just plop your lash on top of it, and you can use any lashes you want to. They sent me some lashes to use, but I actually wanted to go ahead and use my own lashes. I'm not gonna lie, when I first got this product, I was really skeptical. But when I first used it, you guys, I was so shocked. I was like, what kind of witchery is this? This stuff is amazing. Like, you put it on like an eyeliner, it doesn't feel wet. Like, when you put it on, it dries pretty quickly. And then when you go to put your eyelashes on, your eyelashes just stick to it. It's like the craziest thing. Um, I have noticed that I have not been going back to my old liner. And I love this too because you can pull off your lashes when you get done and you don't feel like you are damaging your natural lash line, and you don't have all that glue stuck to your lashes that you have to peel off. So I'm going to be using my own lashes. I have my own brand called Dolled Up Lashes. I'm going to link them down below in the description bar for you guys. I have a lot of different options when it comes to lashes, so definitely come check them out and shop my store. I really appreciate it, guys. Anyways, I'm using the ones called Sabrina. They're like a full fluffy lash, but like not over the top. And I made sure I didn't go crazy with the length, 'cause I know everybody doesn't like super long lashes. So as you guys can see, you can use any kind of lashes with this glue and they just stick. So I'm going to link this down below in the description bar for you guys. So next I'm applying my foundation. This is from Juvia's Place. I'm using the color Burkina. I'm just going to blend that in. So going into my bronzing palette, this is from Ace Beauty. It's called Bronze in Paradise. This one has a contour, a bronzer, and like two lighter shades. I tend to use those on my like my lower cheek to like really sculpt my face, but I'm not gonna be doing that today. So today I'm just gonna be using the contour shade, which is the second from the last, and I'm gonna blend. I'm gonna carve out my cheeks, my chin, my forehead, my nose, like all over. We're gonna be sculpting this face. My brush that I'm using, this is from Sonia Kushak. I love her brushes, you guys. You can get them at Target, and her brushes are amazing. The one I'm using on my nose, this is actually a Morphe eyeshadow brush, but I'm just using it to contour my nose. So I'm just doing a line down the center of my nose. Well, not the center, the side of my nose. I'm dragging it up into my eyebrows to like sort of deepen that crease. And I'm going to blend it out with my finger. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then you also want to make sure you get the tip of your nose. And I do a little slash across my nose to make it look like a button nose almost. You just want to take your time, make sure you blend that out with your finger, or you can use a brush if you want to. So going back into my White Russian palette from Buxom Cosmetics, I'm going to be applying the color New York. This is like a highlighter brush. I said brush. It's like a highlighter blush. It's really, really pretty. It's pink. It's light pink with a shimmer in it. When I got this palette, I was worried that the colors were going to be too pale to go with my skin tone, but they actually are very complementary to my brown skin, which is crazy. And even on their website, you can see they have brown skin models modeling this palette. So like it's definitely inclusive to all skin colors, and I love that about Buxom Cosmetics. So I'm gonna put a little bit across my nose, like want to look blushed today. I'm going to be using the Wonderlust Glow Highlighter. Mine arrived broke, which made me sad, but you can still use it. Using it while it's broke is like a loose pigment. It's very concentrated, very bright and beautiful. You can also use a little bit of alcohol, just splash a little bit inside of it, and then press it down, and it will congeal back into one. What do you call it? Well, it'll just come back together if you put a little bit of alcohol in there and press it down. So don't ever worry if you get a broken highlighter. So I'm using my highlighter brush to put this on, honey. It is banging. I put a little bit on the brush and then dab it on the back of my hand so I don't have too much on the brush. And I'm just highlighting my face, and it is just glowing. It's glowing, you guys. It's so beautiful. So I'm putting some on my forehead. You guys can see the difference already. Like, it really brightens up the face. And you guys know I'm a sucker for some highlighter. I put that stuff everywhere. So I'm going to put some on my chin and on my Cupid's bow. And make sure that you blend this out. I'm taking an eyeshadow brush and I'm applying some to the tip of my nose and right between my eyes in the middle of my nose. I don't drag it all the way down. I just concentrate it on the center there. So next, I'm going to be using this Cajole pencil from Lancome. This is actually limited edition. I don't think they have this anymore, but it's like an eyeliner pencil. I just use it for a lip liner. I always do that. I'm weird, I know. So I'm just taking that and then just blotting my lips together to smear it out. And then Buxom sent me their White Russian, what do you call this? It's a plumping lipstick. So it's their full force plumping lipstick. So I'm just putting that all over my lips, including on top of the eyeliner. That sounds weird saying that. Let's say lip liner on top of the lip liner. And I'm just going to blot my lips together to blend that color out. It's a very soft pink color. It's very, very beautiful. And then they also sent me their full-on plumping lip cream. This is also called White Russian. And I'm putting that on top to, oh, it smells good. It smells like cupcakes. But I'm putting that on top of my lipstick to make my lips glossy and shiny. And then off camera, I just spray on a little bit of my Ofra Cosmetics Makeup Fixer Spray. And this is the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you so freaking much. Everything will be linked down below in the description bar, and I will catch you next time. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye.